Hello, welcome to the SL Mind Channel email program. Let's start with you. To be able to be allowed to do so, you will need permission from your recipient. To get this permission, you need to be able to get their trust. With the great lack of disregard for privacy in the internet, getting the trust of an internet user you don't personally know is a big achievement. To build a good opt-in list, you need people to trust you. For a faster and quicker build-up, you need to get your opt-in subscribers to trust you quickly. The faster you build your opt-in list, the faster word about your site and company gets to be spread. The bigger the scope of your opt-in list, the more traffic you get, spelling more profits. It's easy math if you think about it. Getting the numbers is not that simple though, or maybe it is. Getting the trust of your clientele shouldn't be so hard, especially if you do have a legitimate business. Getting your customers' trust should be based upon your expertise. People rely on other people who know what they are talking about. Garner all the knowledge and information about your business. Frankly, if you decide to go into a business, most probably you have an interest in it. Like how many basketball players become coaches. You don't really venture into something you don't have any interest in. Show your clients that you know what you are talking about. Provide them with helpful hints and guidelines that pertain to what you are selling. Talk about how to install a roof if you're into hardware products, or provide articles on insurance settlements if you're a settlement lawyer. You don't have to be a big corporation to make use of an opt-in list. If your customers see you as someone who knows what he is doing and saying, they will trust you quickly. Be true to your customers. If you want to hype up your products and services, provide guarantees. The more satisfied customers you get, the bigger probability there is that they will recommend you. Generally, people will trust someone they know. When that someone recommends you, then you're a shoo-in. They will go to your site and check it for themselves and be given a chance to experience what the other shave experienced from you, so make sure to be consistent in the service you provide. Another tip in getting a customer to trust you quickly is to provide them an escape hatch. Show them that you are not there to trap them. Keep a clean list that would enable them to unsubscribe anytime they want. Elaborate your web form by providing information on how to unsubscribe from the list. Guarantee them that they can let go of the service whenever they want to. Many are wary that they may be stuck for life and would have to abandon their email accounts when they get pestered with spam. Remember that when you get the trust of your clients, don't lose that trust. Because if you do anything with their email addresses, like sell them or give them out, you will lose many members of your list as well as potential members. The true quickest way to gain the trust of your subscribers is when you are recommended by someone they trust. How to build a list of eager subscribers. Every online business provides great service to generate satisfaction among their customers. As each and every customer receives satisfaction over their products or the services they get, there is a great chance that they will become a return customer and buy again. Better yet, they will recommend you to other people that could generate more business for you and your site. As more traffic is driven to your site, you can entice many of them to subscribe to your mailing list or opt-in list. This is a list wherein website visitors agree to be sent promotional materials such as newsletters, catalogs and such that could keep them updated about your site or the niche of your site. These promotional materials are sent via email to the members of the list in different time intervals. When using email as the media of your marketing and advertisements, you eliminate the need for high costs. Email is free, and if you can manage to make your own promotional advertisements, you can also save a bundle there. With an opt-in subscribers list, you are pretty sure that what you are sending out is received, viewed and read by the subscribers and not simply being deleted. They have signed up for service and have consented in receiving it. This means that there are constant reminders to your subscribers about all your products, new products and services, as well as any promotions and special deals you are having. There is also the chance that they can be forwarded to other potential customers as they tell their friends and families about you and your site. Of course, you should be also aware that a subscriber may unsubscribe when they feel that they are not getting what they want or expected. Make sure that they are satisfied with your opt-in marketing strategies and keep them excited in receiving your newsletters and catalogs. Here are some tips that can help you build a list of eager subscribers. Make your promotional materials interesting and fun. Try to use a little creativity but not too over artsy. Build around what your product or service is about. For example, if you are selling car parts, put some pictures of what is new in the auto parts world. A new wing door possibly that can fit any car and make it look like a Lamborghini. Try to research what people are looking for. This way, you stay one step ahead of them all the time and you will be their bearer of new tidings. They will be eager to receive what you are sending them because they knew you always have fresh and new things to share with them. Write good articles that can be very informational but light at the same time. If your subscribers enjoy your articles, they will go to your site by clicking the links that you will be putting on your newsletter to read some more. You can provide articles that can connect to many people. Be diverse in your articles. Put something humorous, then put something informational, then put something that has both. Are you wary about this because you don't like writing? No problem. There are many professional and experienced article writers that can do the job for you for minimal fees. They know what they are doing and can provide the need that you have for your newsletters. The money that you pay for your articles are going to be met by the many sign-ups and the potential profit from the sales that you will get. Create and send an ebook to your customers about anything that is related to your business or site. Use your knowledge and expertise in the field you have chosen to help other people who are similarly interested. Offer this ebook for free. You can write about anything informational and helpful to your subscribers. For example, you can do manuals and guides in so many things. This ebook could be used as a reference for many people. Share this ebook with everyone, even other sites. Just make sure that they don't change the links in the ebook that will lead people to your site. If you want, you can always get some people to write it for you just like your articles. Your investment once again will be covered by the great marketing this will generate. Add e-coupons in your newsletters that will help them avail to special discounts. Put a control number in your e-coupon so that they can only be used once. When people get discounts that can be found in your newsletters, they will be eager to receive your newsletter in anticipation of what you are promoting next. If your subscribers can get benefits from your newsletters, they will be very eager to receive them. Just don't flood your mailing list with mails so that you don't annoy your subscribers. How to grab your readers' attention with your subject. The race for supremacy in the internet-based businesses has been really heating up, and many sites have been put up to help others to get ahead for a small fee. But there are also ways in which you don't have to pay so much to make yourself a good list of loyal followers. Having a satisfied web traffic and visitors allows you to put up a foundation wherein you can build an opt-in list and make it grow from there. An opt-in list allows you to provide newsletters to your subscribers with their consent. When people sign up, they know that they will be receiving updates and news from your site and the industry you represent via an email. But that doesn't mean that all of those who subscribe read them at all. Many lists have been built due to an attachment with free software or for a promotional discount and such. Some are not really interested in receiving emails from companies and just treat them as waste of cyberspace and delete or trash them without so much as opening the email and scanning them. You can change all that. While forwarding an email message is relatively after producing your newsletter, getting people to open them is not as easy. You don't want to waste all the time and effort used in making the newsletters. You want people to read them and have their interests piqued. Interested enough to go to your website and look around and most especially purchased and acquire your products or services. One of the numerous ways you can tempt or persuade your subscriber is by providing a well thought out and well written subject. The subject of an email is what is often referred to when a person or a recipient of an email decides whether he or she wants to open or read an email. The subject could easily be regarded as one of the most important aspects of your promotional email. Your subject must be short and concise. They should provide a summary for the content of the email so that the recipient will have basic knowledge of the content. This is really vital in grabbing the attention of your readers and subscribers. You want your subject to instantly grab the attention of your subscriber. Thank you. I'm SL Mind saying goodbye to the hope of meeting with a program like this.